YouTube demonetized my channel.
Relax, okay? Just relax.
No, I worked really hard on that channel.
If you are in the YouTube growth space, you already know over the past few months that YouTube has been demonetizing channels at a rate that's never been seen before. In this video, we are going to go over why YouTube is doing this, where YouTube and AI is headed, and what you can do to stay safe. Oh, before I forget, I am Trey, and you are watching Learn with Trey, where we learn everything there is to know about YouTube. So content creators have been popping up in massive numbers saying that their channels have been getting demonetized. So let's start off with why this is happening. Reason number one is AI Slop. YouTube is at war with AI. Regardless of what they say, they are at war with AI. YouTube is a place where people, emphasis on people, come to create for other people. But like every business, you are going to have people trying to game the system and get rich. So you have these people that create AI slop. They go into ChatGPT, they go into Claude, they go into Gemini. And basically what they do is they create videos with prompts. The voiceovers, the visual content, all of it is created with prompts. There is no love put into the creation at all. They are doing it with the sole purpose of making money. That is what AI Slop is. It doesn't bring any value to the platform. It doesn't educate. Its sole purpose is to get clicks and to make the creator money. Now, second on the list is YouTube automation. YouTube automation has become the first cousin to AI Slop. You know, this is the cousin on your daddy's side. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Now, if you ask me, YouTube automation started out with how to set up an automated system to help creators create YouTube videos. But what did we just say before? Like every business, you got these guys trying to game the system. And then you had all these gurus pop up. All these gurus pop up telling you that you don't have to edit any videos. You don't have to create any videos. You don't even have to upload any videos. And you can be successful on YouTube and make a lot of money.
What I'm talking about is the business model called YouTube automation. And with YouTube automation, all you simply do is you hire a script writer to create scripts for the video, a voiceover artist to read the script, a video editor to edit the video with the script and the voiceover, and also a thumbnail artist. And then from there, you upload and optimize a video.
Don't fall for it, all right? YouTube is a skill. I'm gonna say that again. YouTube is a skill. Like every skill, you have to work at it. So you have all these guys creating these courses, right? All these YouTube gurus, and they're basically pumping people making slop content. It's not AI slop, but it's YouTube automation content. Right? They go on Fiverr and get somebody to make the thumbnails. They go on Fiverr and get somebody to do the voiceover. They go on Fiverr and get somebody to create the video and edit the video. And now you got 5 different creators' hands into this project, and none of them know what they're doing. Most of them are overseas in the Philippines or India somewhere, and they're making probably $2, $3 an hour. And basically, you got all these channels putting out all this garbage, all this garbage. And I hate to say garbage because it's not me. I'm not trying to put the channels down, but it's basically not good for the platform. YouTube is going to do whatever it has to do to protect the platform. I think we've all clicked on an AI video or YouTube automation video and got pissed off when we heard that AI voice talking to us. We was like, nah, I want a real human, right? That's exactly why YouTube had to eradicate and demonetize all the channels. YouTube once told creators that they can use AI as long as they were bringing something valuable to the platform or the video had a little bit of human effort. Now, let me show you a channel right now that's based on AI that's full of value. Okay, so we're going to take a look at this animation page, right? It's called Bob Invest. And what you see right now is it's a financial page dedicated to like financial literacy and helping people better their finances. Now, he's only uploaded about 1 time in the last 2 weeks. So I would assume he got caught in the whole demonetization phase of YouTube. Now, the channel adds a lot of value. All of the topics are what I would say rather good, but you can tell the channel is totally AI. And he's posting every single day. So to post a 15 to 30 minute video every day, we know that is AI. YouTube knows that is AI. The voices are AI. The animations are AI. Everything seems to be AI. Now, although it brings a lot of value, this is the problem. Let me show you real fast. So this channel is called Bob Invest. Then next thing you're going to know, you're going to have Nick Invest. Okay. So not only do you have Bob Invest, but then a new channel pops up, Nick Invest. And as you can see, Nick is uploading the same way Bob was every single day. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. 5 days, 7 days. So they're uploading and doing a copy and paste, almost verbatim, but just instead of with the African-American male, they're using a white male. And then it goes on again. Alicia Invest, okay? So now it's a woman, and it goes on and on and on. So although you have a channel that's successful, you're gonna have all these copycat channels. And these copycat channels are going to do the exact same thing. So next thing you know, every time you let one AI channel slide, then you're going to have 1,000 other copycat channels trying to milk the system, trying to game the system, trying to get rich off YouTube. And YouTube has to put a stop to it. Now, why did YouTube tell us that they were embracing AI only to demonetize all these channels and not give a specific reason on why they are demonetizing the channels? And the guidelines are very vague.
But Trey, why are they vague?
Slow down. I'm going to tell you. Remember earlier when I talked about the YouTube gurus? YouTube has to be vague and broad with the guidelines because if they're too specific, all of the gurus are going to try to figure out another way to game the system. They're basically saying that there's no way to cheat the YouTube system. All right. The only problem, a lot of content creators got their channels demonetized with no warning. So imagine making $10 or $20 or $30,000 a month, and then all of a sudden you're making $0. And the kicker is YouTube is doing some real gangster type stuff, right? Some Denzel Washington training day type stuff. They're demonetizing the channels and not even giving you your money while simultaneously running ads on your videos that they demonetized. YouTube, my channel got demonetized today. Yeah, I know. But you didn't say why. I ain't gotta say why. But you still running ads on my videos and I'm not getting paid. Oh, so you ain't getting paid, huh? That's what you telling me? You ain't getting paid? This is chess, it ain't checkers. I ain't gotta pay you a dime. You can't make this up. Now, I've been doing one-on-one sessions with YouTube creators for the past year. I only have 2 stipulations. 1, I do not help people build AI channels. 2, I do not help people use channels that are based around recycled content. I got a big disclaimer when you go to book the one-on-one sessions. Attention, in bold letters. I do not do consultations for AI-based channels or non-original recycled content YouTube channels. I knew this day would come. YouTube is gonna always protect the platform, and I knew those type of channels were bad for the platform. So it's only a matter of time before YouTube started breaking it down. Number 3 on the list, inauthentic videos. These are like the clickbait videos with the news clips. You ever see a clip like a fake news story and you think like some catastrophic event happened only to find out that it's AI and pure clickbait? Or let's say an animal video where you got a lion fighting an alligator only to find out that it's AI created. YouTube is annihilating those channels. Okay, tribe. So as you can see right now, you see this channel. My man's got his YouTube channel demonetized. You scroll down here. Now, YouTube considers this inauthentic content because he's basically taking TV shows and movies and stuff like that and basically using AI to redo it. That's why it says, I ruined the Simpsons movie. So he's using AI to change the movie or change up how the movie's actually portrayed, and YouTube considers that inauthentic content. He's just doing a bunch of variations of different movies, The Lion King, but it's ruined by AI. And this is a genre of YouTube. And people really enjoy these videos because it's like seeing your favorite movie or favorite TV show changed, but it's still AI inauthentic content. 4th on the list is recycled/repetitive content. Okay, tribe. So right here is a channel that does horror stories, okay? Now we are going to scroll down. As you can see, it's repetitive. 15 scary true horror stories, 15 scary true horror stories, 15 scary true horror stories, 15 scary true horror stories. Now, most of this is AI generated. The thumbnails are AI generated. The voiceover is AI generated. And the editing and video footage is also AI generated. So you know what YouTube is going to do? It's going to demonetize the channel. All right. Now, right here is an example of recycled content. All right, this is police body cam footage that's released to the public. So what people started doing was starting these body cam footage YouTube channels and then uploading the body cam footage to YouTube. And this footage is for everybody. So you may have 5 channels or 10 channels or 20 channels uploading the same exact footage. This will be considered recycled footage and YouTube is going to demonetize the channel. Okay, they're putting an end to all of it. In my opinion, all of this is because YouTube gurus, YouTube automation, and AI slop is destroying the platform. Now, did YouTube demonetize channels that shouldn't have been demonetized? Yes. Some people were able to get their channels back and others weren't. YouTube is always going to be work, okay? There is no way to cheat the system. There's no way to cheat the game, and YouTube had to do something, and it had to do something fast because these channels were starting to destroy YouTube. Where do I see things heading next? In my opinion, YouTube is getting ready to implement its own AI infrastructure. They're going to have it where you can use their system to create AI voices, to create AI avatars, and to create AI footage. Then I believe they are going to separate this. It won't be as strong in the algorithm as the other videos, and it has to be that way. Majority of us that get on YouTube are not looking for AI content. We're not looking for YouTube automation content. We are looking for genuine content created by genuine people. So YouTube has to separate everything. And a part of separating everything is annihilating everything and starting over from the roots. Unfortunately, a lot of channels got wrongfully demonetized. But a lot of correct channels got rightfully demonetized. All of these YouTube automation channels and AI slop channels, it's a fad, okay? So create something that's genuine, create communities that are genuine, create content that is genuine, and I promise you, this will give you the greatest chances of making a living on YouTube. All right, beautiful people, speaking of making a living on YouTube, this video right here is showing you how she was able to quit her job and make a full-time living off of YouTube. As always, may God bless you on this YouTube journey. I am Trey. You are watching Learn with Trey. I'll see y'all next video.